found this thing, and I'm not kidding you, it's like half moth, half bird. I don't know what it is. It's stuck to the side of the concrete beam, and it looks like it has feathers, but it's stuck. But it's stuck to the wall like a moth. So I'm going to try to catch it with my swimming pool net. See what happens here. Okay, sorry, it got away from me. I'm still not sure what it is. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, so here it is. I'm not sure what it is. It's inside this net. I'm gonna pause again. Okay, so it is a moth. It's a prehistoric moth, everybody. Have you ever seen a moth that big? It's the size of a bird and it has feathers.